Students, today we are going to see SMTP simulation. So as you know, SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol, right? For transferring a mail between one system to another, it means one process to another, we are using this protocol, right? So now for doing this simulation, here I am going to take some of the end devices in the workspace. So first I am taking one PC and one laptop for transferring a mail. Again for that I require one switch for making connections. Again I need one server for communication. Okay, so for connecting purpose I am using automatically connection type cable. I'll connect all these end devices. Again with the help of same automatically connecting cable. I'm connecting these devices also. Okay, now you can able to see the end cable can be connected. It is used for connecting all the end devices, right? So my next step, I have to configure the end devices. First I am configuring the IP address for server. So click the server, go to desktop, click the IP configuration. I am giving IP addresses 192.168.1.1. Okay, then I'll click this subnet mask. Okay, then I'll close this one. Again I have to configure the PC, same procedure. I'll click the desktop, go to IP config. Here I am giving 192.168.1.2. the same class I am giving different IP address. Okay, then I click the subnet mask. Okay, same thing I have to configure for another PC also. Click the desktop, configure the IP address. So here also with the same class 192.168.1.3. then I click the subnet mask. After that close this tab. Now as first step already told, for transferring a mail the first step is used to configure the IP address for all the end devices. Now we have done with configuration. Second step, I have to save the mail address. I have to store the mail address for each PC. For that I'll click the PC and I'll go to desktop, click the email option. Here you have to give the name, your name. So you can give your name or any name. Like I'm giving my name, Rati. Email address I'm giving as rati@gmail.com. Incoming mail server. So here the IP address of server will be acting as a incoming mail address as well as outgoing mail address. Through this server, this server will be acting as a incoming mail as well as the outgoing mail. So IP address of server will be acting as incoming and outgoing mail server address. So what is the IP address of server? 192.168.1.1, right? Same thing we have to give for outgoing mail server address also. Now here for logon information I have to give the username and password. I am giving username as Radhi and password also I am giving same name, Radhi. Okay, after that save this one. You should have to remember the username and password. Save this one, right? And close it. Now I have to store the email address for NES PC. Same procedure. Click the NES PC, go to desktop, click the email. Again here I am giving your name as Devi. So there are two users. According to this simulation, there are two users. One is Radhi in one PC, another one is Devi in another one PC, right? Email addresses. Here I am giving email addresses Devi at gmail.com, right? So here incoming mail server, outgoing mail server will be the same IP address of server, right? So I have to give the address of IP address of server. Okay. Now here I have to give logon information for this PC. Username I am giving as Devi and the password also I am giving same Devi. You can give any name. Okay. After that save it. Okay. Now close it. After storing the mail address of both PC, have to store the entire process's address in the server. So now I click the server and go to the option service. Here I have to click email. So we have to check here SMTP service and POP3 service should be on. And here I have to give the information. Through which domain we are logging? We are logging through gmail.com. Okay, through the domain we are logging. So first username is what? Ravi. Password also I have given as Ravi. Right? Add this one in the server. Next username is Devi. I have given as Devi. Password also I have given as Devi only. Second user I have to add into the server. After that, set this one. Then after that, close it. Okay. Now, you have to compose. This is second step. Again, the third step is we have to compose a mail. So I click the PC. From one PC to next PC, we have to transfer a mail. For that, we have to compose the mail. So again, same thing. Click the PC, go to desktop, click the email option. Here, I have to compose a mail to. This is a PC with mail address Rati. I am going to send to Devi. To Devi. Subject is good morning. Okay. Here I am giving a message as how are you? I am sending this mail to Devi. Okay. So now see here sending mail to Devi. Send success. Message has been sent successful. Okay. Okay, message has been sent successful, right? Now, I have to see the next PC. The mail address Devi. Whether mail have been received or not. So, click this receive option. Yeah, receiving the mail from another PC. Okay, receive mail successfully. Okay. So, here now I have to send back a reply to the reply back. I have to reply back to the first PC. If I have to reply a message to the back to Devi means again I'll click a reply. So it is telling like we have to please send through mailbox. Okay. So again I have to click the compose to from Devi to I am sending a mail to Radhi. So the address is we have to log on to Radhi. Subject is good morning. Here I am giving a reply as well. Okay. After that send. I am sending a reply. Okay. Here also we can observe send a message successfully. Now I will close this one. Again I am clicking this PC, first PC, go to email. Here I am checking, click the option receive, right? See here, you send a message, how are you, right? It is received, right? Yes or no? It's received, right? How are you? That means PC1 send a message, how are you to PC2. Okay. Again, I'll check this PC also. See here, well. PC2 send a message to PC1, well. Okay. So like this, a message has to be transferred from one PC to another PC. Okay, it will take some time for transferring a message. This is a process happening in transferring a mail by using a SMTP protocol. I hope you understand the steps. Please follow those things. Okay. Now, just I'm taking a PDU. I'm transferring a mail from one PC to another PC. Now I'll play the simulation part. Play this one. Okay, the message will be transferred from one PC to another PC. Okay, again, a message will be, a reply will be sent from this PC to this PC. You can see clearly. You can see it clearly. Okay, thank you students. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.